how to look up a schedule on transit app. Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can check or look up a schedule on transit app. So here is how to go about it. The first step is to open your transit app. After opening your transit app, you will be brought to the main screen. On the main screen, you will see your transit lines as well as your departure times. You cannot see mine because I am currently in an unsupported region. So once you can see the transit lines, select the transit lines for which you want to know the schedule. After selecting the transit line, you would see the schedule, and then on the schedule switch, search for the line by typing the search bar or entering the line number. This is if you cannot find the line directly on your map. Alright, you can search for the line, or instead you can just select the line, and after selecting the line you will see the entire schedule of that particular line. And then you can also tap on more departures on the schedules page to see more details about the line schedule. So checking out a schedule on transit app is not difficult. Once you're on the map, all right, you can just move to the left or move to the right in order to check out the line that you are interested in to view the schedule. Once you've seen the line, click on it. After clicking on the line, you'll be taken to the schedules page, and then you'll see everything that you need. So thanks for watching and have a good day.